In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the photo room background remover that is included with your List Perfectly subscription. You can remove the backgrounds from your photos directly in your List Perfectly catalog with no additional fees per month. With the Pro plan, you'll get 1,500 removals per month. With the Business plan, you'll get 50. And with the Simple plan, you'll get 25. You do not need to pay extra for Photo Room or a subscription to Photo Room. What I like best about List Perfectly's partnership with Photo Room for the background removal is that there is no longer a need for a photo setup or photo lights or to do anything special when you're taking photographs for your listings. There was a time when Keith and I had photography lights, white poster board backgrounds, white paper on a photo roll background. We used to have this extravagant photo setup with lights that took about 10 minutes to drag everything out and set it up and then put it all away again at the end of a photography session. Now you can save money because you don't need special photography lights. You don't need anything special for your background or any kind of setup. And you also don't need to spend the time it takes to set these things up. You can literally throw your items on a floor, on a table. You can have a TV in the background and it will remove everything. It is the most spectacular background remover I have seen in the years that I've been reselling. Don't take my word for it. Let's look at it. So you can see here how I take my photos. I don't really care about what's in the background anymore. I don't have any special lights. There's shadows all over this photo. You can see my feet. You can see my chair. You can see the background of the room I'm in. But when I push remove background, ta-da, everything is gone and it's absolutely stunning and gorgeous. You can do this in bulk as well. You can go up here on your listing to bulk actions, remove backgrounds, and select the ones you want to remove the background from, push confirm, and it will start working. It does take a few seconds, especially if you're doing more than 2 or 3 photos at a time. What I like to do is come into my listing, start removing the backgrounds in bulk, and while it's working, I can come down and build my title, build my description, and fill in any other information. And when I'm done and I come back up here, they're done, and I can just make sure that everything is facing the right way and looks good. And then you come down and just push save progress, or you can just push update. Either way will save your listing. I'm going to show you one more example here with one of my plushies. Because these sit up on the table, you can see more of the background. You can see the TV and the door. And as you can see, the background removal will take all of that right out.